Hi, I'm John Rowland, and I'm with the Highland Park Lapidary, and I'm here to show you a little bit about what we're building right now. I'll take you a quick walk through, and we're getting ready to pack another container right now, but I know there's a lot of people that are interested in seeing what's coming and when it's coming. All right, so here's stuff that's staging. Right now we got a bunch of packing materials in. We got 16 just came back from powder. We got low-speed sphere machines, a big pile of them right there. We got 14 drop saws, more high-tone hoods here, 20-inch saws. They're started to be assembled right here. We're actually assembling on our staging aisle a little bit. More 20s, more 16s, 36Ds about ready to go to powder. PTs just got in from bending. LSSM, that's a low-speed sphere machine reservoirs that are ready for powder. There's some 12HTs just made the crates, FMs in the crates, high-speed sphere machines, a drop saw, a few other things. Over on this side we've got more C8s that just came in from welding shop. A couple more 16s. And then over here we've got looks like an 18 in a crate, a couple more 20s, belt sanders getting ready to go in a crate. That's a 220 model. And then down here we've got 20s that have carriages dropping into them. Arbors will go in later on this week, and we'll align them and they'll be ready to go. And then down here we have C8s. We're just doing final inspection and cleaning. Over here is HT14s, done inspecting, and the ones with the hoods on them are getting packed. These right here I got to align. And then we got 18s over here. All but one of them are done. And through inspection they just got to be cleaned and then they'll be packed. I got a couple more high-tone 10s I got outlined. And some high-tone 12s. Got to drop arbors in them. I just finished the arbors for those. More 16s. All the 16s just came from powder. And then these 24s, we got to put belts on them, and then they're ready for test. A couple more over here. And then we got another big pile of low-speed sphere machines. We're building 100 of these things this time. Oh, let's see. I got more stuff over in this room here. I always forget about these rooms because we've got smaller stuff we build here. So there's some BWs that are getting ready to get assembled here as soon as we get this container out. And then over in this room we've got some more drop saws and more BW frames just got set up in here. Huge stack of 24 carriages there. And then over here I've got about 100 or 200 trim saws, the model 6-inch trim saws. And that just gives you a quick preview of what we've got on the production floor right now. More to come.
Hey, thanks for watching today. If you like what you see, click the like button. Subscribe if you want to get more videos like this, and down below in the description you'll find a link that goes to our website. It goes to also what we showed you today, more information about that, and leave comments if there's things that you like, if there's things that you want us to do more on, if there's videos that you want us to shoot that we haven't shot. We're very open to that. We're really looking for ways to help you be successful in your endeavors with the tools and technologies that we create, as well as any other aspect of the hobby.